Hey guys, I want to bring some understanding and some clarity to you guys this morning about something I was thinking about right now. You ever hear the saying that a man always look for the mother within his woman, or a man normally tend to want a woman that remind him of his mother if his mother was a good woman, right? Because the love that he received from his mother is the love that he will fall in love with within a woman. Same thing goes for daughters. A daughter will seek a man that remind her of her father. Because as a man, did you know the first person a man fall in love with is his mother? That's the first person he fall in love with. And as for a woman, the first person she fall in love with is her father. So that's why you seek the man that you fall in love with first, which is your father. And if your father is a good man, then you're going to always seek those things within men. Now, one of the biggest issues in today's society is that there's no such thing as finding someone that's just like your parent. Because here's the thing that most people don't do in today's society. Most people are not going to love you unconditionally like your parent will. Your father and your mother is going to love you unconditionally. They're going to support you no matter what, because at the end of the day, you're their child. But sometimes we seek out these things in people and we create these expectations of them for them to be the same way, not knowing if they ever been loved the same way. So I think the most gentle thing we could do on this earth is to not have so much expectations, even though there's times where you may feel that you need those expectations. But I think the common things that we should look for in our partner is three common things. Is your partner or the person you seek and you desire and you want to spend the rest of your life with, or you want to find out if that could be, you must seek the fact that are they understanding? Are they understanding? Do they take the time to understand you? And two, are they very accepting? Do they accept who you are for what you are and for what you're becoming? And three, do they, appreciate you? Do they appreciate you? What do they do to show you if they appreciate you? And even number four, are they forgiving? Are they very forgiving? Because all four of those things requires the ability to show you love. So they may not be like your parent, but can they be understanding, accepting, appreciative, and forgiving? That's what we should seek in any form of partnership. Personally, professionally, platonically, those are things you should seek. All right. So I just want to share that thought with you guys to give you guys some understanding, and hopefully that helps somebody. All right. Have a blessed day, guys. Later.